Hello guys, good morning and welcome to the vlog, I guess. Oh, whatever it is. So right now I'm just sitting in the park and I will be editing the vlog which you'll be seeing right now. So guys, until I'm done with the editing, you guys enjoy the video. I'll catch you later. Peace. And wait, happy Lodi again. I know. Hello guys, good morning and how are you all doing? So today, as you can see at my back, I am at the Royal Enfield showroom and I have the all new Himalayan Sleet plus Explorer. Oh sorry, it's called the Sleet and it comes with the Explorer kit, as you can see, and the bike is right behind me. So without wasting any further ado, let me show you. So guys, this is the bike. As you can see, nothing has changed in the bike. It has just got a new paint scheme, and the Explorer kit, it has got two panniers, and I'll come to the panniers later on, but I like the graffiti on the tank. It has got now matte grey paint with this nice looking decals, and let me tell you, the whole bike is same as the normal Himalayan, just it has got some cosmetic changes and it has just got the Explorer kit installed. As you can see, we have the panniers, and yeah, now let's talk about it. So guys, now let me tell you about the panniers. In total you will be getting a 26 liters of space, and if we divide 26, it comes out to be 13 liters per side, and in this we cannot store more than 5 kgs per pannier, and we have to buy at a speed limit of 80 to 112 kilometers per hour with the weights in your panniers. So guys, that was the panniers, and as you can see, the bike is in Explorer kit. It also comes with the leg guards installed. It also comes with the leg guards and the crash guards, as you can see. So guys, that was all in the new Himalayan that I had for you guys, and there are only some cosmetic changes that has been done to the bike. So there is not much, and the panniers Explorer kit, as you saw, and there is the simple Himalayan. If you guys want to compare, you can compare both. Cosmetic version of the Himalayan. This is the cosmetic version of the Himalayan, as you can see. So yeah guys, let me sit on the bike and see how the weight distribution of the bike is with the panniers. So let's check that. So guys, let me just hop on the bike. So guys, the bike has got some weight as it has got the Explorer kit on it, and now it is looking like a perfect tourer, and I might buy this bike, you never know guys. So my classic, beware of me. Hashtag travel. So guys, jokes apart, so the bike feels quite comfortable and the seat is also very comfortable, and as I already said, nothing changed like the Himalayan and just the cosmetic change. So now let's come to the price. So guys, approximately it will cost you around 2.3 lakhs Ex-Showroom Chandigarh, and Ex-Showroom varies from city to city. So in Chandigarh it will cost you around 2.3 lakhs Ex-Showroom, and on-road price is not yet been disclosed, and the online price is not yet disclosed. And one weird thing is happening around me guys, let me show you. So guys, if you want to see the test ride of this bike, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next frame. Peace. So guys, I hope you guys liked the video, and once again, very happy Lodi to all of you. And yeah guys, I'll come back on next Sunday. Till then, right over here to subscribe and click right over here to watch my last video. Until next time, signing off.
Peace out. Poop.